Have you ever wondered why some people seem unstoppable? How some can work 12-hour days, train like beasts, and still have energy to keep growing, while others are exhausted before noon? It's not luck. It's not genetic. It's not motivation. It's their system. And that system starts with what they put in their body and their mind. Sound familiar? You wake up tired. You rely on coffee just to function. By mid-afternoon, your brain stops working. You feel like something's holding you back, but you don't even know what it is. Most people are stuck in a cycle of fatigue and low energy, and they don't even realize the cause. It's not lack of discipline, it's what you eat, it's what you think. Every bite you take either gives you power or drains your life. Every thought you choose either strengthens you or weakens you. Your body is like a Ferrari. If you put in garbage fuel, don't expect it to perform like an elite machine. Your brain consumes 20% of your daily energy, but if you fuel it with processed foods, sugars, and trans fats, you're running in low power mode. If you fuel it with quality proteins, healthy fats, and essential micronutrients, your mental clarity, energy, and focus multiply. Food is not just fuel, it's information. And every choice you make about nutrition is designing your future performance. I've been there, feeling sluggish, unfocused, procrastinating, depending on coffee and sugar to get through the day, not realizing my own diet was sabotaging me until one day I understood. If I don't control what goes into my body and my mind, I will never control my destiny. I started eating real food, cutting out the junk, understanding that discipline in food is the foundation of discipline in life. And when I changed that, everything improved. My energy, my mental clarity, my productivity, everything. If you want to change your performance, follow these principles. These aren't tips, these are rules. The rules that separate the mediocre from the unstoppable. Number one, eat to win. Cut out sugar and processed foods. Prioritize high quality proteins and healthy fats. Eat like an elite athlete. Number two, use fasting as a weapon. Give your body time to regenerate. Feel the mental clarity and laser focus. Number three, move your body every day. Not just to look good, to feel unstoppable. Number four, feed your mind like you feed your body. Read, learn, invest in your growth. Surround yourself with people who push you to improve. Do this for 30 days and you will see the difference. Your energy, focus, and discipline will change forever. You have two choices. You can keep living at 50% with fatigue, no clarity, no progress, or you take the first step today. Start fueling your body differently. Train your mind and body and take control of your life. The choice is yours. If you want to take this to the next level, download my free guide on high performance. It's free, it's powerful, and it will change your life.